Aktiva-S free to read its own clock screensaver is one of those typical free screensavers with some extra nuances. Already at the beginning we get a pop-up asking for more screensavers, and like a normal user we'll just pick yes. Now we get two windows, one that opens Aktiva-S downloads for screensavers, and second one for interesting shareware from Editable. What a great name. Let's just close these annoyances and go back to installation. After experiencing another part of the screensaver, installer opens another page for telling your friends about their screensavers to get even more screensavers by making a chain letter, basically by sending email. We'll just close all of this so we can check out the actual screensaver. I'll skip that, close this and this. Okay, so now we should be able to check out the screensaver, right? Well, not really, because it won't work in this case. Well, for some reason, it doesn't seem to work on full HD, so we'll lower the resolution to those old ones. And now we'll test it over here. Okay, now it works, but we'll set the better resolution from the engine. And now it should be perfect. So yeah, that's the actual clock. So you can now experience a stone clock with spinning website watermark and creepy ticking sound you got for free. We're not done here yet, as we need to check out additional stuff. Yeah, we saw it, and we'll check the settings in this case. So in settings we can change camera, sound and light. First camera has a 4 camera setup, with main camera showing whole clock. Then a second camera showing minute or hour dial, and last camera showing a discrete logo in their website. Second option has similar setup, but the last camera shows the clock all around instead of actual disc. And finally, the last option is actually the first default camera. Now for the sounds. First option includes only a sound that plays the amount of quarters of an hour. Second option that has first sound also includes a sound that plays the amount of hours in 12-hour format. And finally, the third option is the default one that has all sounds. And the last option turns off all the sounds. Okay, we'll switch to lights. So, just in a second. So the first light has 6 options to change the first light. And the second light setting has only 2 options to change the second light. So you can have like about 12 combinations in this case. Let's just set it to default. I think that's it. Okay, finally there should be an option to change your registration information, but there is no use of it when your screensaver is already free. Just to show you an example of how this could be annoying at noon or midnight, I'll set the clock to a few seconds before midnight. We'll put it like this, and maybe it was too short. Okay, be prepared for some noise. It's not worth telling friends about these screensavers unless you want them to suffer with this. We still have one more problem. This thing has huge watermark, and it also plays that thing again if you play it at the exact minute, exact time. Okay, I won't play it again until it's at least 1 minute later. Okay, so what I was saying. So the problem is the huge watermark in here. So and I'm kind of sick of seeing such watermarks in all kind of screensavers. It's very annoying to see the actual thing just spinning around, but I can actually have a clean clock instead. Therefore, I'll try to get rid of it by modifying the actual resources. So we'll go to the actual folder where the stuff is. I even managed to get it. Give me a sec. It should be located in system folder. Over here. Don't ask me why it's actually in this folder. I have an idea. But it's still here. Okay, so we should have pretty much everything in here. That files are actually resource files that can be either sounds or textures or maybe some other kind of 3D mesh or anything like that. But I'm only able to open images and sounds in this case. Okay, so let me just open the one of this. Let me change the window so I can mod it properly. Oh. Okay, this should fit. Okay, we'll move up. Okay, this is the texture for an hour dial. So we'll put a single color for each texture so you can even see it. Then we'll switch to minute dial. This should be yellow. The next one should be for seconds. That should be green. And this should be for hour indicators. So that should be cyan. Okay, we'll save that quickly and check it out. Hold on. So as you can see, that's only modded the clock. So we'll keep looking for a bit more. Let me just give you indications. Okay, this is actually a texture for unregistered message that's actually never displayed in this case because this screensaver is free. So this is not even displayed. And we'll actually check out also the sounds. This one should be the sound and this one too. Let me just open this thing first. Just for the sake of it. So easy open. And then just drag and drop. So yeah, this is for the ticking sound. And the length is actually about 9 seconds and not 1 second. So that doesn't kind of make sense. And then there is the for an hour. Actually not for an hour, for a quarter. But it can be actually also a full hour if you increase the pitch for a bit. Or actually for twice. Let me just do that quickly. with sound recorder. We'll drag and drop both of those. I'll speed it up. Actually, let's speed it up even more. And save it. And the same thing for this. After I've increased the speed for a bit, you can notice the similarity with the full hour. So I'll just save it like that. Actually, no, I'll decrease the speed. That's better. What's next? The next one should be this. This one is a texture for branding stuff from the disk. I'll just put this color in here. Okay, so we have few more stuff left. This should be the texture for Skybox. We'll put that with magenta. And finally, the actual watermark that we were looking for is this thing. And we'll put that with bright yellow. Oh, hold on. God damn it. Okay, I think that we pretty much covered all the textures that we need. So we can actually even check out the screensaver in this case. And now it's not a stone clock, it's, well, plain color clock. 3D clock, that is. Let me just tweak the screensaver for a bit so we can have few more cameras around. I'll keep it on this. Let me just try it again with that midnight thing. Okay, that's enough. So this thing is actually free for now, right? And there are some registration data saved in these files. They look like bitmap files, but they're actually not. So we have to actually open them as actual text files. So this one should like show the name or company, and this should show the actual email or actual. Never mind. Over here there should be like some kind of registration data. It should actually even check the evaluation day and all other stuff for this thing. So I'll just break this thing in a few ways to see if it's even going to work. So now let's see if I even managed to do something or not. Okay, so I somehow managed to get the evaluation days so with 529,275 days left. That should be enough, I guess. So this screensaver is free, but the cost of it being free comes with aggressive promotion of their company. As you have seen, the watermarks, the pop-ups before and after installation, chain letter for more screensavers. This isn't for everyone, and yet people will most likely do these things for free. when it's something for free, they'll just share it. Maybe actually, I'm kidding. This is just a plain screensaver. Mostly, no one will even care about it. Even if you share it around, no one would care. Oh yeah, and this is actually from Slovenia. Just to show the actual license agreement where it does say so. Well, it's governed by the laws of Slovenia, so that's all. I'll just show the screensaver for a bit more and we'll be done. I think I've done enough suffering for everyone in this case. Okay, so that's it. Stay away from screensavers and bye.